I know how it feels to invest in products that don't live up to the hype, especially when it comes to cleaning supplies for your car. I bought and tested these dashboard cleaners so you don't waste your money. Whether you're looking to maintain that showroom shine or just want to keep your car looking fresh, I've got you covered. Let's dive into my top 5 picks that deliver real results. Product number 1, Armor All Protectant Wipes. When I first got my hands on the Armor All Protectant Wipes, I was excited but skeptical. I mean, how much difference could a canister of wipes make, right? But let me tell you, the experience was eye-opening. The first time I used them, I reached for the canister after a long weekend trip. My car was a mess, crumbs everywhere, sticky spots on the dashboard, and streaky glass. I pulled out a few wipes and the fresh scent filled the air. As I started wiping down the surfaces, I was amazed by how easily they lifted dirt and grime. The wipes are sturdy enough to handle tough spots but gentle enough for delicate surfaces. What struck me most was the rich, natural finish they left behind. My dashboard looked like it had just been detailed. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, these wipes are incredibly convenient. With a pack of 90, you can tackle multiple cleaning jobs without running out. They also protect against UV rays and oxidation, which is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's interior over time. However, one downside is that they are not recommended for use on glass surfaces, which is a bit of a bummer since I would love a one-stop solution. But the glass wipes in this multi-pack make up for that shortcoming. So why should you consider buying this product? If you're someone who values the appearance of your vehicle and wants to keep it looking new, these wipes are an excellent choice. They save you time, deliver results, and come from a trusted brand. Plus, with the added benefit of protecting surfaces from UV damage, it's a worthwhile investment for anyone serious about car care. Product number 2, Astro AI Windshield Cleaner Tool. Next up is the Astro AI Windshield Cleaner Tool, which I was eager to test out. As someone who dreads the task of cleaning the interior windows of my car, especially the hard-to-reach spots, this tool sounded like a game changer. The first thing I noticed was its extendable handle. It can stretch from about 15.9 inches to 21 inches, which made it easy for me to access those tricky areas behind the dashboard without bending over awkwardly. The experience was surprisingly satisfying. The tool comes with 4 upgraded microfiber pads, which I found to be incredibly absorbent and effective at picking up moisture and grime. The 180-degree rotating head allowed me to maneuver effortlessly around the corners of the windshield. I sprayed a bit of my usual window cleaner, and the results were impressive. No streaks, just a crystal-clear finish. I loved how I could use it not just in the car, but also for cleaning windows in my home. It's versatile enough to tackle mirrors and other glass surfaces, making it a multi-use tool that I didn't know I needed. Now for the pros and cons. On the pro side, this cleaner is incredibly effective and easy to use. The microfiber pads are washable and reusable, which is great for the environment and your wallet. However, the tool's design might not fit all vehicle sizes perfectly, so it may require some adjustments depending on your car model. Also, the plastic handle feels a bit flimsy, though it held up well during my testing. Why buy the Astro AI Windshield Cleaner Tool? If you want to make cleaning your car easier and more efficient, this is a must-have. It's practical, affordable, and gets the job done. Plus, who doesn't love a streak-free shine on their windshield? Product number 3, Armor All Car Cleaning Wipes. Next, I checked out the Armor All Car Cleaning Wipes. When I opened the canister, I was greeted by an unscented clean wipe that promised to lift away dirt without leaving any residue. I decided to put these to the test on my car's interior surfaces. The experience was quite straightforward, just grab a wipe and start cleaning. I was pleasantly surprised by how effective they were in removing dirt, grime, and even those stubborn spots that had been lingering for weeks. They're safe on various surfaces, including dashboards, vinyl, and leather, which made them versatile for my needs. I went over the dashboard, console, and even the seats. The matte finish that these wipes left behind made everything look fresh and new without that greasy feeling that some products leave. I could tell that my car was not just clean, but it looked well maintained, which is a huge bonus. Pros and cons. Well, the wipes are incredibly easy to use and provide a natural look without leaving any residue behind. They also won't dry out, which is a common issue with other wipes. However, they're not suitable for glass or painted surfaces, which means you may still need a separate cleaner for those areas. Additionally, since they come in a single canister, you might find yourself running out quicker than expected if you do frequent cleanings. So why should you buy these Armor All-Car Cleaning Wipes? If you want a simple yet effective way to keep your car's interior looking fresh without the hassle of traditional cleaning methods, these wipes are a solid choice. They combine ease of use with effective results, making them a go-to for anyone serious about car maintenance. Product number 4, DNA Motoring Cleaning Gels. Now let's take a closer look at the DNA Motoring Cleaning Gels. I was curious about how effective a gel could be for cleaning my car. The first thing I noticed was the unique texture. It felt like a thick, malleable slime that promised to get into all the nooks and crannies of my car. I decided to test it out in the air vents and between the seats, where crumbs and dust tend to accumulate. To use it, I simply kneaded the gel into a ball and pressed it into the areas I wanted to clean. To my surprise, it picked up debris effectively, capturing everything from hair to crumbs with ease. It's reusable, which means I could use it multiple times until it started to darken, which made it feel like a more sustainable option compared to disposable wipes. The gel is also eco-friendly, which is a big plus for me. When it comes to pros and cons, the standout advantage is that it can reach places that traditional cleaners can't. It's also versatile enough to use on keyboards and other household items. However, it's not suitable for all surfaces. If you have delicate fabrics or non-waterproof areas, you might want to stick to wipes or sprays. Plus, if you're looking for a quick clean, this can be a bit more time-consuming than using wipes. Why should you buy the DNA Motoring Cleaning Gels? If you're looking for a product that can reach those tricky spots and offer a unique cleaning solution, this is it. It's fun to use and extremely effective, making it a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their car looking its best. Product number 5, Car GUIS Plastic Restorer. Finally, I tried out the Car GUIS Plastic Restorer. I was particularly excited about this product because I've had issues with fading plastic parts in my car that just never seem to stay fresh after cleaning. The first time I applied it, I noticed it had a thicker consistency than other restorers I've used in the past. I applied it to the plastic trim around my windows and dashboard and was pleasantly surprised at how easily it spread. It didn't leave an oily mess behind, which is often the case with similar products. What really stood out to me was how well it repelled water. I took my car out for a drive after applying it, and even after a rain shower, the surfaces still looked great. It claims to last for several months, and I was impressed by how true that turned out to be. The finish was natural and not overly shiny, which is something I really appreciated. On the pros and cons side, the obvious pro is that it truly works as advertised. It rejuvenates and protects plastic surfaces effectively without leaving a greasy residue. However, you do need to make sure not to overapply, or it can lead to a sticky finish. And while it's great for plastic, it's not suitable for every type of surface, so you'll need to be mindful of where you use it. So why should you consider buying the Car GUIS Plastic Restorer? If you're tired of products that don't deliver on their promises, this is a reliable choice. It's user-friendly and effective, which makes it a worthwhile addition to your car cleaning arsenal. In conclusion, each of these dashboard cleaners brings something unique to the table, whether it's convenience, effectiveness, or versatility. If you're serious about maintaining your car's appearance, investing in any of these products will make your life easier. I hope this deep dive helps you make an informed decision. Happy cleaning!